Napagkakaguluhan ng apat. Why? Dapat na kami napanood mamaya at sa January 17. That's right. Thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, let's bring on to the front. Everybody, let's get to the big hand. Alright, there you go. Thank you so much. Let me just move the microphone first to you. Alright, and now we'll have another interview and photo op.
Less stress. Okay, Mom, look, I have to go, okay? Bye! Yung convoy.
Narinig ko! Dadalhin mo ba talaga lahat yan? Lahat yan? Dadalhin mo?
Baka hindi ko ngayong magabi. And she deserves a big round of applause.
Thank you po, thank you, Sir Ricky. Thank you, sir. Siyempre po.
Hintot ka? Ha? Huwag kang pabigti!